Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Krista.
We're two nerds getting our PhDs in chemistry, and we started this channel to explain the science behind things that you see every day.
So please like, comment, and subscribe to check out more of our content, and thanks for joining us on
Explained by Nerds
with Megan and Krista!
Today we're talking about the science of activated charcoal.
Yes, this stuff.
Cheers. I don't like that.
Activated charcoal is all the rage right now.
Yeah, people claim it can whiten your teeth, clean out your pores, and even detoxify your body.
Bold claims.
So today we're going to be talking about a few different aspects of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal. What is it? Can it detoxify your body? And is it safe to eat? So, what is it, Megan?
Activated charcoal can also be called activated carbon because that's what it's really made of. Activated charcoal is this stuff after a really long, really bad and hot day. It starts full of all different kinds of elements and ends up as only carbon.
Activated charcoal starts as biomass, meaning stuff that is or was alive. Some common biomass sources for activated charcoal are wood, coconut husks, and bamboo. These living things are mostly made of the same elements that we are: carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, calcium, phosphorus, and a small percent of other elements. Those elements are connected in different ways and combinations to make all the important things for life, like DNA, proteins, vitamins, blah blah blah. So, to make your activated charcoal, you got to burn up the biomass all the way up to 600-900 degrees Celsius. Hot. That's about as hot as a campfire. But if you do this in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, also known as O2 gas, you will not get activated charcoal, you will end up with ash, because the oxygen is so reactive that it's going to interact with carbon and it will leave as carbon dioxide, leaving you sad and without activated charcoal. Because you end up with ash, which is made out of calcium carbonate. To avoid making ash, you want to burn the biomass in the presence of a less reactive gas, such as nitrogen. So nitrogen gas will help ensure that you burn up all the other elements except for carbon, so that at the end of the day, you end up with your activated charcoal.
In the process, the carbon connects to itself in different ways, and the end result is a very porous material. The pores give activated charcoal a very large surface area.
What?
Surface area is the portion of a material that is exposed to the outside environment. For example, let's think about the difference between cheddar and Swiss cheese. Cheddar cheese is basically one big hunk of cheese, and it has a small surface area, basically just the part on the outside that's exposed to the air. Swiss cheese, on the other hand, has a very high surface area because of all of its holes. Sponges have a high surface area too. And because activated charcoal has a high surface area, it acts like a sponge, and it soaks stuff up.
Because of activated charcoal's sponge-like abilities, medical professionals have used it to treat overdoses and poisonings. For example, if you give someone activated charcoal when they've consumed something dangerous or poisonous, it soaks up the bad stuff in their stomachs and stops it from causing more damage. However, activated charcoal doesn't work on everything. So things like alcohol, fuels like petroleum or gasoline, paint thinner, strong acids, strong bases, arsenic, and even cyanide, activated charcoal is not going to help you if you eat any of these things, so don't do that. So, is activated charcoal safe?
Yes, especially if you're just putting it on your face, brushing your teeth with it, or consuming it occasionally in small amounts.
But what about taking daily charcoal supplements?
Well, that might be safe, but it's probably not doing what the advertisers say it is. We know that activated charcoal is absorbent, so it could be taking up bad stuff, but it is probably also taking up good stuff, like vitamins and minerals. Regardless, current research shows that activated charcoal doesn't really do everything that people say and think it does. So if using products with activated charcoal in them makes you happy, go for it. You'll probably be just fine.
Thanks for joining us on Explained by Nerds. Please subscribe to see more of our content and videos.
And comment below to let us know what you'd like to see next.
Nerds out!
Did you ever watch SpongeBob? Remember when they would like go above water
Yeah.
and then SpongeBob would just be a sponge, like a normal sponge? It's like that.